The emergency alert system has issued a contagious disease warning for the following states: Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, Wisconsin, Minnesota. This disease is highly contagious and has taken control of unknown amount of people, but it is estimated to be over 20 million people that are infected. This disease causes vomiting, coughing blood, dizziness, fainting, hallucinations, seizures, death. This disease has a 100% death rate due to there being no cure. Animals can also be infected. The disease also alters the appearance of the infected. It can cause bloody branches to rip from the body, bruises to appear, smiling for unknown reason, and joints inverting. Stay indoors at all times. If someone starts random acting aggressive, they are infected.